just landed in Singapore. I am so excited and grateful to be here. I've got such a fun, jam-packed week ahead. I'm here for a sponsored trip with Love Benito. They flew me and some of the other girls out to enjoy the city, show you guys some new clothes. Before we get into the vlog, I want to show you guys, we landed really early and it's the crack of dawn right now and the sun is gonna come out here in just a few minutes. And I'm in one of the newly renovated rooms at Marina Bay Sands. It is so freaking gorgeous. Let me give you guys a little room tour first. We got this marble in the front and this beautiful bar area. Here's the TV area, bed. This bathroom is so beautiful. We have the shower and the tub combo. Double vanities. Look at all this marble. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. And then we have the closet area. So the theme of this trip is no luggage travel. So essentially, we're supposed to just come here with a carry-on bag full of the bare essentials because they're gonna have everything provided for us here. Over here in the closet, they have all of the clothes ready for us. Look at this. Oh, how cute. These are our PJs. This is our first day outfit. Here is our second day outfit. Pads, makeup, sunscreen, swimsuit. We went back upstairs after the sunrise to check out the rooftop. It was such a welcome sight to settle in, the sleepy ships waking up, the city coming alive. It was so gorgeous. We then hopped over to the other side of Marina Bay Sands at Rasapura Masters, which is this beautiful, luxurious food court that has the hawker feel. We had some Indonesian food, some Singaporean breakfast of kaya toast, and then we all got ready for the evening. I wore this knit crossover off the shoulder top, tucked into some beige high-waisted flared pants. We got to enjoy drinks and delicious food at C'est La Vie Sky Bar. This is where the Crazy Rich Asians scene was shot. It was so cool because we saw the sunset, the nighttime show down below at Gardens by the Bay, and we just enjoyed settling into the first evening. The next morning, some of the girls and I decided to enjoy the sunrise in the infinity pool. It was a rainy morning, so all the clouds were out, and when that golden sunrise hit, it was just like a masterpiece. We were just paddling around with barely any people and enjoying the breathtaking views. And huge shout out to Amber Swim for giving us these swimsuits. They were so comfortable, premium, and super sexy. We're about to go to the spa and have some unwinding time. This is the second day outfit. We have like an espresso padded integrated athletic top with a cute X on the back. And then we have this really cute linen skirt with this like asymmetrical twist tie here with a cool flap. And then I've got this really cute white silicone bag. And then you've got like the security mesh pouch on the inside. They hooked us up with my favorite pads. This August brand is so amazing. So your girl's gotta. All right, let's go get some breakfast and enjoy the day. 7 a.m. swim, 8 a.m. breakfast, 9 a.m. massage. It's a good day. It's a great day. So it was actually Wellness Fest in Singapore, so we got to enjoy some amazing like wellness health activities across the city, including this balm workshop. We got to melt our own beeswax and oil and shea butter, and then they had an assortment of different essential oils that we can pick our perfect concoction. And I think we all picked the same essential oils of eucalyptus and bergamot. It was so concentrated, it smelled so good. It was just a really fun activity to sit around and chill before we got our massages. We all hung out in the hot sauna first. The massage was fantastic. And then we all got treated to a cryofacial, which was so cold but so rejuvenating. Finished the spa day at Bedrock Origin, where I had a delicious steak. So we got back and rested, and we had an outfit change before we went to Gardens by the Bay. I really love this outfit. It's one of my favorite ones from the trip. This one is a nice puffy a crop blouse with an asymmetrical one shoulder. I paired it with some of my favorite Love Bonito pants. These are the LBs. They are so sleek and tailored. The perfect crop with a nice high waist. Looks super put together with whatever you pair it with. Gardens by the Bay was so gorgeous. They have so many different areas to explore, from the cloud forest, which is like the indoor greenhouse, to all these super trees, which are these like massive artificial trees. Those are the ones that you saw lit up earlier in this video. And then we walked around on the sky bridge, which suspends you up into the tree line, and you get to see all the nature with like the modernness of the city. It's just a really cool viewpoint. We are now heading to dinner to meet Rachel, the founder of Love Bonito, after a long day exploring, and we are a little beat, but I'm ready for the last round of the day. Day 3, we got to do a full day of shopping, and of course we kicked things off with visiting the Love Bonito store. It was such a treat to see everything physically in person on the displays, considering we all work from over in the US. The vibes, the people, everything was just so bright and happy and creative. I really love my outfit for the day. I have my favorite Febby knit reversible top paired with these really cool side slit flared pants. We all got settled in the back room where Rachel shared more of her story, how she created Love Bonito 13 years ago. And then we also got to meet with the head designers. So they shared all of their design process, how they select an item, finalize the style, decide on the fit, and that was really insightful. And we also got a sneak peek of their upcoming 13th anniversary collection. There's gonna be so many fun colors and designs, and essentially why I really resonated with Love Bonito from the get-go, and I've been working with them for so long. They combine that like head boss in charge vibes for like your corporate workwear, commanding your life, but also have really sexy and free feminine pieces. So whenever you're going to cocktails or having a party, like they have both sides of the personality that I really resonate with. So it was so great to see all these pieces in person and have them be so proud of their work. Then of course we did a little shopping. We got to try on some of our favorite things, and then the Love Bonito team sent us off to enjoy the rest of Singapore. We then hopped on over to Skin Inc., where we had a custom serum mixing workshop. This was really cool because they have tons of like AI in their devices. So we got to mix the exact serum for each of our skin types. We got to play with all the LED devices. And then they also have a new hydrofacial at-home device that I can't wait to get, because I get these at the salon for so expensive, and this thing is so cool that you can do at home for a fraction of the cost. Then it was time for lunch, and we were all so excited. Finally, the Singaporean Hawker Center experience. We had Marissa and Josephine, our tour guides, lead the way to get us the best of the best. We had a mixture of seafood, roasted meats. This Cantonese girl was so satisfied. Look at all the cameras out. It's so funny. We're like, everywhere we go, every single camera needs to be out. We were enjoying all of the food, and it was just a great way to explore the local culture and the cuisine. We then checked into our new hotel at the Pullman Orchard. This was another beautiful hotel, super chic and swanky, and we got a little bit of rest, and then we got ready for the evening. The Pullman had some welcome drinks for us. I think this was the best mojito we've ever had ever. We also had some takes on the Singapore slang. This was definitely my favorite dress of the trip. I love how sleek that X halter neck is. It popped so well off of the background of Khoon Seng Road, which is this iconic poppy, colorful row of houses. We had so much fun taking photos here, and then we went over to Hey Mave to get some jewelry shopping. This was such a cute store. We had just a really fun time picking out different charms and necklaces and having some good old-fashioned girly time. Then for dinner, it was time for us to try some traditional Peranakan food at Candlenut. This was a very famous restaurant. The food was exquisite. It was such a beautiful ambiance, and to be able to try all the local cuisine and the spicy curries, I mean, it was so delicious. We really enjoyed this meal a lot, from appetizers to dessert. Finished the night off with some gin cocktails at the famous Atlas Bar. This was the most beautiful 1920s Art Deco ambiance. I highly recommend. Day 4, I woke up to one of my favorite things on the planet, an Asian breakfast. I had my favorite fish fillet juk with a hot steaming bowl of noodles and American breakfast with coffee and green drink. I was a happy girl. This was all at the Pullman Orchard. It was a fantabulous breakfast to wake up to every day. Juk or congee is like one of my favorite foods ever, so to have it waking up every single morning is heaven. Yoga! Mommy, daughter, yoga time. Look how cute, YB.
We got the tennis star.
We're the tennis star.
Girl. That doesn't know what tennis
I don't know what tennis is. It's a green
now
ball.
she knows.
It's a green ball. We went over to the Park Royal Hotel for yoga, and this was such a beautiful place to do yoga. I wore a matching green bra and biker short set from Cheek, which is another brand from Love Bonito. It meshed perfectly in the luscious landscape. I swear this is one of the most beautiful hotels I've ever been to. It's like super futuristic but serene and luscious all at the same time. And at the very top they have this cool urban herb garden. So we got to like try different fruits and herbs and vegetables and leaves off the vine. Each had all these like very unique flavors from all over the world. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Oh wow.
That's delicious. And they even snipped these herbs specifically for our lunch that was about to be served. So that was so cool.
Chinatown. Girls from China.
Chinese girls are in Chinatown. About to shut it all down. Then for exploring the rest of the city of the day, I wore this really cute linen padded shoulder dress. It was so feminine and sweet. We had so much fun in Chinatown, not only walking around and listening to the history, but we also got to try durian, which is the first time I've ever tried. I was so excited because we have Josephine, our tour guide, that knows like the best one, the best way to eat it, the best stalls. So we were so grateful to have this nice experience, and I never had it in Thailand, so let's have it here.
We just had durian, and it wasn't
YB
that
and I
bad.
swallowed it.
I took a few bites of it.
We did the Cat Mountain type,
We did.
which is the premium durian of the Southeast Asian countries.
It's
the best kind.
Yeah,
it's
That's the best kind. And Josephine's
There's
favorite.
different kinds?
Yeah,
It
the
wasn't
best
that
tasting.
stinky.
The taste is honestly pretty good.
Yeah, I just wish it was cold.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's the room temperatureness of
And the
it.
texture
It's so stringy.
was like very gummy.
Creamy, stringy gummy,
Yeah, I've tried it frozen and it is better.
We then had dinner at this really hip restaurant called Synthesis. It's actually hidden behind a traditional Chinese medicine apothecary shop. You have this secret door that opens, you go down this really cool neon faux street, and then it opens up into this huge bar, super loungy. You've got some great music going. I mean, it's such a club vibe. I would definitely come here again just for the ambiance, but the food was amazing. It was like very traditional Chinese and Asian flavor profiles that felt really nostalgic to me, like the traditional Chinese chicken soups that my grandma would make. Everything had a cool modern twist to it, and even the cocktails, they were like sour plum, like again, a lot of those great Asian flavors that I don't really get to partake in here in Denver. I got to really enjoy, so it was such a fantastic meal. It's our last day in paradise. Oh. And it's raining. So it's time for a hike. Perfect day to the outdoors. So we had to shorten the day because it was raining, but we enjoyed a beautiful lunch at the Rimmers Beach Club in Sentosa. We saw like a monitor lizard cross the street. It was a really fun time, and we just kind of waited out until the weather cleared up, where we headed over to the National Gallery in the afternoon. This is one of my favorite outfits that I picked up in the store. I have this white cropped thick strap top matched with this beautiful tweed button slit midi skirt. It's such an elegant outfit, and it was perfect for high tea at Violet Oon. We then got to walk around the National Gallery, which was a stunning building, just grandiose slabs of marble, black and white checkered floors. I mean, it was so amazing to learn a lot about the culture, the history, peruse all these beautiful paintings and sculptures, and then we ended up on the rooftop for some traditional cocktails, which was the perfect transition to, I think, the highlight of the whole trip, which was a Singapore sidecars tour. We got these super cool retro Vespas, and we just rode in the sidecars, and these guys were just driving us all around town. We stopped by Kampong Glam and got to see like these little nooks and crannies and pockets of neighborhoods from a local viewpoint that we hadn't seen yet. The city felt so lively. We could kind of slowly see the sunset hit the horizon in the distance. We also stopped by the mosque. We took some great pictures, and then we went up the bridge right when the sun was setting. So we got this great view of Marina Bay Sands. We stopped off to take some night pictures as the city was coming alive in the evening. I mean, this is something I would book anytime I'm here in Singapore, to just have a private tour of the city in just a really fun way. Then for our final meal, we all voted for chili crab. Jumbo Seafood is such a great chain. We hooked it up. We got all of our favorites, all of our Chinese favorites. We got some crispy shrimp. We got, I think, salted egg yolk, black pepper, and the chili crab. I mean, us girls were getting down and dirty. It was so delicious to have this last Singaporean meal. And then me and some of the girls decided to end the last few hours of Singapore with a bang. We went back to Marina Bay Sands for a evening at Marquee Singapore. Linda, who I adopted as my young daughter, this was her first time in a club, so we're like, we have to go all out for her. We had so much fun. I mean, they had a great DJ. The club was gorgeous. It was so much fun. It was like Astrolab themed. So we just had so much fun partying and enjoying our last night together as a sisterhood, enjoying Singapore.
How was your first club experience?
I love it.
Then of course on the way home we had to stop by the McDonald's and order some spicy chicken nuggets and hot butter french fries. It was delicious. Shortly after that, I hopped on the plane. I'm so grateful to Singapore Airlines to treating us to business class. I feel so spoiled rotten. The experience, the customer service, the food was phenomenal. It was the best way to travel, and I'm feeling so appreciative. But you guys, that is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Huge thank you again to Love Bonito and the Singapore Tourism Board for sponsoring this incredible trip. You guys are also giving away a Singapore trip to one of you guys in their big giveaway this month. So be sure to get all the details down below in the description box to enter for your chance to win. And if you guys are interested in any of the clothing in today's video, all the details are down below, and I also have a promo code for you guys to get some savings on your next order, so be sure to use that. Thank you guys so much for your time and watching today. You guys know I make a lot of different types of travel content, and I can't wait to show you guys some more adventures in the near future. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.